In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workflow in GoHighLevel. If you're looking to automate tasks and make your business process more efficient, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to create a workflow that meets your needs. First, log into GoHighLevel by visiting their website. Once you're logged in, select the appropriate sub-account or workspace where you want this workflow to be created. This ensures that your workflow is set up under the correct account. Now locate the automation section on the left sidebar and click on Automation. Then choose Workflows from the drop-down list. At this point, you'll see a button labeled Plus Create Workflow at the top right corner. Clicking this will get you started on creating your new workflow. When you're ready to choose a workflow type, you'll have three options. You can start from scratch, use a template, or import from a snapshot if you have previously created workflows elsewhere in GoHighLevel. For beginners, it's usually best to start from scratch as it offers more customization. Next, you'll want to set a trigger, which tells GoHighLevel when the workflow should start. Triggers are essential as they activate your workflow. You can add a new trigger, and you'll find various options like form submitted, tag added, or appointment booked. Feel free to add multiple triggers to cover different starting points. After setting your triggers, it's time to add actions. Actions define what your workflow does once it's triggered. Click on the plus button to explore a variety of actions like send email, send SMS, or assign user. You can string actions together to create a seamless sequence. For example, you might send an email thanking someone for reaching out, wait a day, and then follow up with a text message. Personalizing your messages with smart tags makes them more dynamic. Using placeholders like /contact.firstname can make communication feel more personal and engaging. Consider adding wait steps and conditions to make your workflow more intelligent. For instance, you could delay messages with a wait action or use if-else logic to send specific messages based on recipients' actions. Optionally, you can integrate internal notifications to alert your team during critical points in the workflow. Through the internal notification action, set up alerts via email, SMS, or Slack if integrated. Testing your workflow is crucial. Add yourself as a test contact and manually trigger the workflow. This lets you verify that all emails, SMS, and other actions perform correctly before going live. Once your testing confirms everything is functioning as desired, it's time to publish and activate your workflow. Click the Save button at the top right and then toggle Publish to On. Congratulations! Your workflow is officially live and will now operate automatically. Remember, you can always pause or edit it later if needed. Keep exploring, and soon you'll be an expert at automating with GoHighLevel.